Hello, good morning. This is Angelo. I am the CEO and founder of the Anicon Group of Companies. I am also the Philippine representative of Wusong University. So this time I'll be recording this presentation to discuss to you briefly on who Wusong University is. Because currently we are running a promotion wherein if you enroll at Wusong through Anicon, we will not be charging any fees until you get your visa. So no visa, no payment. This is only exclusive for Wusong University. So if you're interested and want to start your process, I'd be happy to discuss them right now. Right. So briefly, I'm using another person's slide, no? So don't mind me pagdating sa transition. So I'll try to discuss as many slides as I can, clearly and concisely pagdating sa preference ng Philippine market. So why South Korea? I think everyone knows that for the longest time, I guess for the span of 4 years now, Anicon has been promoting South Korea. And one of the main highlight kung bakit we never let go of the market is because of the potential of it. Briefly, siguro, I'd like to mention that if the traditional destinations like Canada, Australia, New Zealand are being strict with their borders right now, South Korea has just recently opened. They have this government program called the Study 300K program, but technically na-reach na nga nila yung target ahead of time. So nung na-reach na yung target, that's a good sign, but that can also be a bad sign. Bakit? Kasi once they reach their target, eventually baka maghigpit sila. The good thing is nag-increase sila ng target from 300K to 500K until 2027. But with how the numbers are moving, it's possible na ma-reach ng South Korea yung target na 500K international students by 2026. And with that, we are hoping that if you're interested to pursue an international degree and a career abroad, especially South Korea, that you decide to go there by next year or else baka magsara rin o maghigpit ang border. Right. So everyone knows what South Korea is all about with the K-pop boom, the Korean culture, everything K, okay? So these are some of the companies na pwede nyo pagtrabahuhan once you graduate in South Korea. Mind you guys, whatever you're looking for in a study abroad program, like for example, naghahanap ka ng work after migration with your family, lahat ng meron sa Canada, nandoon din po sa South Korea. Ang advantage ng South Korea would be the proximity. Sobrang lapit niya sa Pilipinas. Additionally, mas mahaba ang working hours ng South Korea. And I guess most important part, mas mura po ang tuition ng South Korea versus schools in the traditional market. Mas mura nga po mag-aral sa Wusong compared in some universities in the Philippines. So it's more practical to go this route. Tapos ito, pwede ka mag-work sa Samsung, Hyundai, LG. Ito yung South Korea has been tagged as a country for innovation by Forbes magazine. So it shows the potential when you relocate there via student visa program. Culture-wise, I will not discuss too much about it. I think everyone knows that going in South Korea is a very colorful culture, so it's going to be a fun experience staying there for at least a year, up to 4 years, depende sa program na kukunin po ninyo. The pop culture, the efficiency, how convenient everything is, napakadaling mamuhay po sa South Korea. And I'd like to debunk the myth na pagdating sa South Korea, yes, meron silang strong work and study ethics, pero hindi siya toxic culture. Nabibi kagaya noon, I think sometimes nami-mix natin ang Japan culture towards Korea. Hindi na po sila ganon. Japan, some parts are medyo ganon pa, especially with the baby boomer management. But right now in South Korea, it's very much a bit of a Western influence na rin na they value mental health, work-life balance. So, hindi siya ganun ka-toxic po. So, wag kayong mabahala. Okay, safety of South Korea is very, very good as well. Crime rate is very low. Healthcare is very affordable as well. Maraming mga international na student na Pilipino ang napupunta ng Canada, Australia kasi sinasabi nila secure ng pamilya nila health-wise. Totoo yun. But same goes with South Korea. Okay, so very secure lang yung family. Activities to do, napakarami. I guess one thing I can be proud if you choose South Korea is, for me mas makulay ang kultura niya versus North American countries. Okay, mas makulay siya versus US or Canada. Mas lively, mas more things to do. So I think you'll love it more there. Additionally, affordable po ang South Korea. Okay? Except in Seoul. Kasi Seoul is like you're living in BGC. Okay, so very, very affordable. Pwede ka mabuhay sa part-time income. Hindi mo pwedeng gawin sa traditional market yan. Kasi let's admit it, pagdating sa Canada, Australia, you need to have budget for that tuition. Nakatabi yun. Kasi whatever you're earning in part-time job, pang monthly expense mo lang yon. In Korea, no. You're earning part-time income, pwede mong bayaran ng tuition mo at monthly expense at the same time. Plus, pwede ka pa magpadala sa pamilya mo sa Pilipinas kung gusto mo. Ganon ka-affordable ang South Korea. It's the cost of living versus potential of income ang laki ng discrepancy. Right? Of course, education standard is very, very high. South Korea is considered a first world country or a developed nation. All right. And with that, let's discuss mainly Wusong University in South Korea. So Wusong is currently by ranking the number one in terms of internationalization, high ranking siya. In terms of international environment, maraming nationalities ang nandiyan, Central Asia. Hindi siya puro Indian lang po, guys. Okay? In the traditional market, you can see a lot of South Asians. Here in South Korea, it's a perfect balance, Central Asia, Kazakh, Uzbek, Southeast Asians, South Asians, Chinese, North Americans, Europeans. Perfect balance siya, kumpleto. So you really feel an international environment. This is a true melting pot of culture. Hindi nila sinasabi lang na ano siya, melting pot of different culture, diversified, hindi po. Totoo kasi siya. Yung iba sinasabi lang eh. Ito, totoo po. Pero pag nakita yung ibang country, puro Bombay, right? So, yan. And additionally po, Wusong University offers English taught programs. Okay? We also offer Korean track programs if you want that. Ang pathway lang, no, mag-aaral ka muna ng language for 1 year before you proceed with the course. So, it's up to you. Okay? But we give you a lot of flexibility. Kung gusto mong diretso South Korea, you take the English track program. While you're studying the course that you're taking, pwede ka mag-aral Korean along the way. So it's like two birds with one stone. Or if you're taking your time, you want to enroll a specific program na under Korean track, pwede ka mag-aral ng 1 year. You can study at our, here in the Philippines. You can just coordinate with us. We have our hybrid education center. Or after 1 year, then you continue in South Korea. There are different pathways to it. I'd like to add, if you take the Korean track, meron din tayong tinatawag na I-degree program, kung saan 1 year ka nag-aaral sa Philippines, then additional 1 more year or 3 more years sa Korea. So naka-bridging siya. So maraming ways, super flexible. And this is unique with Wusong University. By the way, Usong, guys, is located in Daejeon. Okay, Daejeon is considered the Silicon Valley of South Korea. It's only 50 minutes away by KTX from Daejeon to Seoul. Ito pa pala, guys, when you're in South Korea, you don't need to stay in Seoul. Alam ko gusto ng lahat sa Seoul kasi para yung Toronto eh. Yun yung top of mind, ando ng mga companies. That's not entirely true. South Korea has diversified its central city to different major cities. Daejeon is a major city. Okay? Mas high-tech pa nga po siya sa Seoul, sa totoo lang. Plus, the convenience and efficiency of the transportation system enables you to go to Seoul anytime if you want to. Pwede ka mag-day trip with a very, very low cost. Mamasahe ka lang. Siguro 500 pesos, nasa Seoul ka na one way. Kasi ganun ka-efficient ang train system nila. So you don't need to stay in Seoul kasi it's very expensive. You can just stay in Daejeon. Additionally po sa South Korea, guys, wala po siyang regional wage. Ang salary ng Seoul, pareho ng salary ng Daejeon, pareho ng salary ng Jeju, Busan, lahat, kung saan ka man sa South Korea, iisa ang salary mo. So you don't need to stay in an expensive place kasi hindi practical sa income mo. Gets? So that's one of the cheat code that you can do in South Korea, right? So in Daejeon, this is the perfect place for studying. Living expenses is affordable by maybe less than 30-40% versus Seoul. So you save more, right? Under Busong, by the way, we have 3 colleges. This is Seoulbridge, Endicott, and J.W. Kim College of Future Studies. We'll be discussing more mainly on Seoulbridge and Endicott, okay? Yan. Nabanggit ko po, ito yung ranking ng Wusong University, number 1 tayo sa International Outlook. So very, very good tayo in terms of positioning. Okay? Yung college natin na Seoulbridge is number 42 QS World University Rankings pagdating sa business programs. Ang advantage din po natin sa South Korea, we really help you transition to the workplace. This is not the kind of program where you just enrolled and bahala ka sa buhay mo. No, we assist you until the end, right? And these are, let me just move this. I can't read the whole stuff. Okay, anyway, yeah. These are some of the programs that we're offering taught in English. Just gonna run through this. Papakita ko yung exact courses and some of the fees later on. But if you want, you can pause this. Check out mo lang yan. Ito may binanggit ko na iDegree. So this is perfect for K-12 graduates na hindi nagmamadali mag-Korea. You can take, 1+3 or 2+2. Depende sa course. But this is mostly business. Okay, so you can take a 1-year program in the Philippines full online, then continue it 3 years in South Korea or 2 years sa Philippines. Okay, saan ka mag-aaral? Online sa bahay or you can do it at our education center dito po sa Ortigas in Manila. Okay? So iDegree is a good option not to rush you, para to transition you slowly and save you more money sa totoo lang. Mas mura ito on a regular program. And unique courses that we have the K-pop art management. Totoo yan. This is a big industry. If you're really into the Korean culture, this is a course that you should take because it guarantees you to stay and build a career in South Korea, even Hollywood. Okay? And these are some of the programs taught in Korean. Okay, Korean track programs ito. Napakarami natin unique courses, media design, railroad management, a unique course that guarantees you to work in developed countries like Europe, East Asia, China, even US. So sila may mga good railroad system. Yan po. We also have culinary arts. This is an associate degree kasi yung English taught program natin na culinary is under bachelor's po. Okay, so yeah, napakarami nating programs na pwede nyong i-take for bachelor's and also in master's and PhD. Okay, you can just pause if you want to check them out or message me later if you have any question. So what makes Usong University unique? I think I mentioned it a while ago na rin. Bukod sa ang logo natin is parang Squid Games. Okay? That's the Korean alphabet po. Okay? So one of the highlights of Usong Universities is, again, binanggit ko kanina, it helps you to transition in the workforce once you graduate. The focus is study. But the idea after study, dapat may continuity ka. It's the pathway that we're pushing. So Usong University has developed its Career Development Center to help you get internships and job opportunities during and after study. Okay? To make sure na tuloy-tuloy po ang inyong opportunity. We also have in-house counselors for psychological support, creation of resumes and assignments, international staff, kasi iba-iba ang bawat kulture. Yung minute details na yon, we really take care of it. Our kind of service is very Southeast Asian. We take it by heart. We have Central Asians assisting students as well. So, yan, we understand where everyone is coming from, no matter what background you are from. Okay? Our professors are also professionals. Hindi sila mga nag-aral lang ng book, galing talaga sila sa industry na tinuturo po nila. So it's real-time, real-world experience that they're sharing with everyone. By the way, may mga Filipino professors tayo rito, so it will really help with your stay. All right? 70+ nationalities, most of our students are international students, even our professors. Okay? And the good thing about South Korea, guys, with Wusong University specifically, ang mga campus natin is malalaki. Para siyang American universities, really big campus. Hindi siya isang building lang na rinentahan tapos doon kayo magsistay. Hindi po. Wusong is very, very big. Talagang maglalakad-lakad ka. May on-campus dorm pa tayo. Plus, there are tons of activities and clubs that you can join. May mga short-term programs yan. May concerts. I think a year ago, si Psy, the Gangnam Style artist, he did a performance at Wusong University. Every now and then, there are K-pop concerts at Wusong campus. It's very, very big. Yan. Then scholarships at Wusong University, currently in the market and with at least with Anicon's list or roster of universities, si Wusong po ang may pinakamarami at pinakamataas na scholarship na binibigay, which is very, very generous. It gives scholarships from minimum 30% up to 100%, depende sa course, which is renewable as well every semester. Ang study po sa South Korea, pareho lang ang timing sa Pilipinas. So kung associate, 2 years, bachelor's 4 years, master's 2 years, PhD 3 years. 2 sems per year siya. So depende sa grades mo. Pwede ka magkaroon ng scholarship next sem. Pag hindi mo nakuha, pwede ulit mag-try next sem. Hindi ka mauubusan ng opportunity. It's very, very flexible. And once you graduate from South Korea, you have the D10 visa, or I guess the most common term is para siyang PGWP ng Canada or Graduate Work Stream ng Australia. This is a visa that allows you to stay and find a job. By the way, good news, ang D10 visa or the job-seeking visa, before it was 2 years. Ngayon, 3 years na po ang allowed job-seeking visa na binibigay sa ating international students. And as mentioned kanina, nabanggit ko yata, you can work part-time for 20 to 35 hours per week. Sobrang haba. And of course, during holidays and sem break, you can work full-time. Okay? All right. This slide, meanwhile, shows the dual degree programs. Ito yung I-degree programs natin. Pwede rin to. When we say dual degree, ganito yan. For example, you're taking bachelor's in South Korea na. Okay? This is of the dual degree is often for bachelor's. Pwede kang mag-continue ng 2 years sa Korea, then 2 years in any of this country. Okay? Or pwede siya na 1 year ka online sa Philippines, 1 year sa Korea, pwede mong ituloy ngayon sa Canada. Kung ito perfecto, kung bawa nahihirapan kayong kumuha ng visa sa Canada kasi lahat ng Pilipino gusto Canada, this is a pathway you can take. Okay? After mag-aral sa Korea, lipat ka ng Canada. Pwede kang dito gumraduate na, pwedeng dyan ka na magstay, get a PGWP, bring your family. Very possible. UVic, ang partner natin sa Canada. You can also enter France, Italy, Australia, yan yung mga gusto nating country, USA. So yan yung mga dual degree program natin for bachelors po. Okay, I'm gonna skip this one, but if you want to check the list of our dual degree programs for bachelor's in business program or the I-degree program, you can just check them all out here. Okay, facilities, very, very good. You can always check at our YouTube some of the facilities that we have for Usong University. Okay, and there you go. What I'm showing right now are the specific programs for international students that are English track. Doon tayo magfo-focus. So as you can see, the prices are in USD already. Ang pinakamababa natin is I think 3,000, 4,000 something. Pero ang pinakamababa natin, ang range ng tuition for Usong is around 230 up to 280,000 pesos per semester. Okay? Mas mahal pa po mag-aral sa Ateneo at Enderan. Okay? Wala pang scholarship yon. Kasi again, binanggit ko, guaranteed may scholarship kayo no matter what, depende sa resulta ng interview. So, pwede pa siyang bumaba by up to 150 or 180K per semester. Right? So, this is our bachelor's program. Business ad, hotel management, culinary, etc., etc. You can just pause and check it out. The tuition here shows per year, okay? But the tuition deposit is per semester. So divided by 2 nyo lang po, yun lang po ang babayaran ninyo. Okay? Let me try to do the math nga. 7.4, ang pinakamababa natin. Okay. Sorry, check lang natin ha. Para accurate, pag pinanood nyo to, divided by 2. Yan. So yan, ang pinakamababa, wala pang scholarships, nasa 215,000 pesos. Wala pang scholarship. Pag may scholarship, it can go as low as 150 to 180K per semester deposit. Kasi sobrang baba lang po. Okay? Yan. These are some of our programs. Ang I-degree program, mas mura po siya. Parang nasa 120, 130,000 per semester lang siya. Okay. So I'm gonna skip this one. These are just some of the fees. But since dinadaan na natin, if you want to pause, just pause it and ask me if you have any questions. Okay. Gonna skip this one. All right, requirements for Filipinos, regardless if you're taking bachelor's or master's, no need for IELTS. You only need to submit the medium of instruction. Right, and then for the master's degree, these are some of our courses. Actually, we updated this already. I don't have the updated slide yet, but currently, we rebranded everything. It's not called the International Business Management anymore. It's now called Masters in AI Business Management. So super updated tayo on how the economy is progressing. So ito yung courses po natin. Okay? So we have masters, and this is under Endicott College. Okay? Kaya mas mababa siya. Pagdating sa Solbridge, mas mataas ng konti kasi iba yung standard nila. But you can take whatever course you wish to do. Okay? Marami tayong students actually sa Solbridge. Okay, kahit mas mataas yung fees niya, mas marami tayong students dyan. Okay, there you go. Scholarships are available for either bachelor's or master's degree. Again, no need for the requirements for IELTS, also for master's degree. Okay, now in terms of accommodation naman po, we do provide on-campus accommodation. Usually it is required for bachelor students for the first semester. By the way, I forgot to mention, for bachelors in culinary arts, we now provide paid internship in a Michelin star restaurant in Daejeon. So it helps you transition to the workforce immediately and faster kasi pwede kang i-absorb. So check that out. Okay? So yan po. For dorm, ito yung costing natin. We don't advise dorm. Personally, I don't advise dorm sa master's degree. Bakit? Kasi strict sa hours eh. And if you're planning to get jobs, mas maganda at mas mura magstay ka off campus. Safe naman kasi. Plus, mas mura, sa totoo lang ang off-campus. Yun lang, convenient ang on-campus. Kasi may meals na kasama na yan eh. Usually may kasamang lunch yan. Libre na. Okay? Pero for me, mas mura outside. Yan. Okay? There you go. So I'm gonna skip this one. You can just pause and read if you want to check. Okay. Skipping this one as well. And these are our intakes. It shows 2025, but yes, we are now opening for 2026. So we are open applications now. So if you're interested, let us know. Again, the promotion for Anicon is that if you enroll at Usong University, you don't need to pay us anything. Magkano ang current fee ng Anicon if you enroll at Usong? It starts at only 40,000 pesos. Promotion siya. Yun lang po. Before it was around 120K, but for Wusong University, it's only 40,000 pesos. Pero babayaran nyo rin siya after nyong magka-visa. Okay, all you need to do is confirm your enrollment, sign up the contract, then we start your process immediately. Okay, you can enroll even for fall 2026. And this is how the process goes. Para alam nyo lang yung nangyari. If you sign up with us, okay, once we start your application, ilalodge natin yan. Once you collect your documents, you pay your own application fee. Okay, mura lang naman siya, parang 2,000 pesos, mataas na yon. Online interview is where you get the result of your initial scholarship from 30 to 70% kapag initial online. Then after that, next sem, up to 100% possible na po. You get your LOA, payment ng tuition, you DHL all your hard copy apostille documents, certificate of admission, visa, arrival in Korea. Right now with Anicon, nasa 95% ang approval rate namin ng visa, so you don't have to worry about it. That's why we are confident na maa-approve naman po kayo. Okay? And mind you, you can always check out our competition. As far as we know, kami lang ang may kabisado ng South Korea processing. Okay, skipping this one. So there you go. Super, thank you for listening. I'll be posting this on YouTube. And if you want to connect with me and if you have any questions, just message me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp is 0905-527-4254. I'm gonna be, or you can just message our Facebook account and connect with me. This is Angelo once again. I am the one specifically handling our Asia brand for now and also the Philippine representative for Usong University. So I look forward to seeing you. Let's help you guys build a better future in South Korea. It is still underrated, but I do believe that in terms of study abroad, pagdating po sa convenience ng return of income, yung mura ang gastusin pero malaki ang balik, I do think South Korea is the best destination. Hindi siya kasing sikat sa Pilipino, pero yun nga yung maganda eh. Kasi you get the same benefits na makukuha mo sa Canada, pero nasa South Korea ka lang at mas mura ang gastusin mo. So thank you so much and I look forward to hearing from you very soon. Enroll now at Usong University.